Well, I'm finally back at it after getting sick and being snowed in and having a fender bender in the van and cutting my hand. I'm back at the job. I tell you, I've got one of the greatest clients on the planet. The guy is so understanding, and he even told me when I was sick, look man, if you're not up to it, just pack up and go home. We'll get the work done some other time. But except for coughing up huge gobs of goo, which isn't fun, I'm back at it. So I'm gonna take the rest of this down today, and I'm gonna probably end up taking not all of this wall, but like from there down. And yeah, so here we go. Well, I got all that ripped out, and then I was working in this corner, and look at all the rotten wood. Oh, rotten. It's actually got termites in it. So I got to pull this, at least part of this wall off. Hopefully it ends there at the corner. So this is all rotten. See, this is actually termite damage. As you can see. So that's all got to come out of here. And that's just the softest wood. Hopefully it stops here, and it's only on the bottom corner here. So I have to take more of this wall out. Hopefully I don't have to disturb the wall with the tiles in it in the bathroom that's on the other side, the toilet room. So there you got the second section out, and termite damage. So I'm going to have to take another swath out of there. I might just end up taking the whole bloody wall off, I think I'm going to just do that. Not seeing the point. Just take the whole thing down. It sounds like Darth Vader, but I'm not taking off my respirator in this mess. It's pretty awful. So, rotten. Not bad. Okay. And some of that up there on the top is rotten. The back part's not, but they basically, that top corner from about there, down there, all in there, the structure has to be replaced, but I hope I can do that without screwing up this wall. A little mold on the back of that wall. Isn't that nice? Growing away in there. So yeah, this is, I'm glad I decided to take this corner out, because that's really bad in there. I mean, that rot and that mold, not good. The water line here going somewhere. I think I see the problem. I'm pretty sure that somebody put a screw in there and went right into the water line. So that's where the water came from. Because for termites, you need two things. You need water and you need wood. So there's no reason in the world there should be water here in this corner. But I think at some point, somebody put a screw, maybe there, and I think there, into here, and that's why we have a water leak. Who knows when this is done? I've never seen this kind of a plastic pipe before. If it even is plastic, I think it actually might be metal. Oh, this isn't a water line. Is it? I don't even know what this is, to be honest. I have to take it apart more, but to me it looks like there's a screw that went into this. It feels like metal. This metal piping here. And this has leaked and leaked and leaked and leaked all over time. And yeah, I don't know where that goes upstairs. I'll have to take a look.
It's a fine mess I've made. Now I gotta cut it all up and stick it in bags. Fun. Well, I've made another mess. Got this corner right here. And turns out there is no screw in this thing. I had a good look at it. It's just rust. That's a water line that apparently doesn't go to anything anymore. So I got all the termite damage stuff out of there. Now I just got to remove this whole floor. That's another day's work. I'm going to be hard pressed to get this all done, I have to say. But tomorrow's another day.